Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Temu. If you want to make shopping on Temu faster and more convenient, you can add a payment method to your account. So to get started, firstly open the Temu app on your device and make sure you have signed into your account already. So next is you need to add the products that you like to purchase. Simply select any of the product as you prefer and simply select add to cart in the bottom. So from here, simply select checkout in the bottom. So over here, you can find the checkout page. Over here, you can simply select the payment option that you like to use depending on your region. So over here, you can use your Apple Pay or card as well, or you can also add a new card in the bottom by selecting that. And you need to simply select order and pay in the bottom right, and you need to proceed to it. And once the payment method has been added, select it as a preferred payment option for the current order. And that is it. That's how you can add a payment method on Temu. Once it's saved, you will be able to enjoy a faster and more convenient checkout. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.